This video demonstrates the new functionalities for xNURBS Rhino plugin version 7. Version 7 provides a number of new capacities. Firstly, we introduce a new command xNURBS Square. We will call it Square for short. It is a tool for Class A surfacing. Square command allows users to specify surface degree and spans, etc. Like xNURBS command, Square command fully supports history. Square command works with both special clean input and imperfect input. We will use these models to demonstrate it. On the left, we have a special clean input. All input are single span degree 5 curves. For this clean input, you can use Square to generate a single span surface with minimum CVs and zero deviation. The CVs of the generated surface is shown here. The models on the right demonstrate imperfect input. All input curves have hundreds control points. We can also use a single span surface for imperfect input. In case you have complex imperfect input and a regular single span surface cannot generate good CVs, to generate high-quality surfaces with Square command, you can use a number of methods such as using multiple spans, reducing the weight, or using the free option, etc. We now show the use of multiple spans. As a rule of thumb, for imperfect input, multiple spans may generate a surface with better CVs. For example, comparing degree 5 with 3 spans and degree 7 with 1 span, both surfaces have 8 by 8 CVs, but degree 5 with 3 spans should generate better CVs. The free option and the weight are useful if you want to generate high-quality surfaces with minimum number of CVs from imperfect input, and may be used for a number of circumstances, for example, rapid concept design or form finding, etc. With a free option, xNURBS will try to optimize the input curves and generate high-quality surfaces with good CVs from your imperfect input. Like xNURBS command, you should generally use the first and second positions marked here. If the boundary conditions are relatively simple and smooth, the rightmost position of the flatness slider could generate perfect surfaces for Square. When setting degree to 1, Square generates a surface formed from a set of simple NURBS. Generally, compared with xNURBS command, Square command may generate better surfaces if you know what you're doing. Square command requires more work as you need to take care of input and output. Using xNURBS command if you don't want to carefully prepare your input. For four-sided surfaces, Square or xNURBS commands in version 7 allow users to add curves, edges, and points as internal constraints. Here, we also demonstrate the support for history. Users can select the command line option edit to edit a Square or xNURBS surface created with history. For the history support, xNURBS and Square commands behave the same way. Also, by simply modifying the inputted geometries, Square or xNURBS will automatically reproduce the surfaces it generated with history. For quad-sided surfaces, xNURBS and Square commands support two-sided, L-sided, three-sided, and four-sided surfaces. Two-sided case, L-sided case, three-sided case, four-sided case. Version 7 adds a tension option for Square and xNURBS command. When specifying G1 or G2 for an edge, it controls the influence of the edge. You can use it to adjust the shape of the generated surface or the surface bulge. xNURBS is super fast and all regenerations are done in real time. Generally, you should use the default setting for the tension slider because the default tension setting is a reasonable or optimized value. Only change it if the default tension does not generate the desired surface. Version 7 has a new Align to Next option. We demonstrate the 3 options for UV flow. Except for the 3 options, there is another option for UV flow, natural or no requirement. Generally, you should select the normal to curve, align to adjacent curve, or align to next option because the 3 options trigger additional optimization and can generate better surfaces. Except for outputting the warning messages at the command prompt, version 7 also directly displays the conflicting constraints on the model. For the basic xNURBS usage, please check out the video, xNURBS tutorial, dialog setting. Thank you for watching.